So, hello ma'am, this is my quiz. So this is my single file. So Dr. HTML, then a simple quiz title, and then the header. Each one is a quiz game. Then div ID question, div ID options, feedback, and then the score. And then this is my styles. Simple style, nothing fancy. And this is my script. So this this question arrays with with objects like this are the the object question, first question SMC stands for, then the option, and then the answer, which is a string. This is the second 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 question. What is 2 plus 3? Then the option arrays have 6 per 7, and then the answer to this question. That's the third. And then this one, the light current. So this tells us which question we are. So it starts at 0, answer the score. So how many answer the player get correct. And this is this is a function to get the current questions from the list now, which is kani. So mana siya. And so kani siya kay kuan. This line is it shows the question on the on the screen nga yang giigo is ID element ka question kita diri sa kani diri niya mo kan diri niya i-show ta, and then yes, and then kani is so kani siya ikon so ang kuan lang na siya kanang natangon na to niya tong mga sani old message and kanang mga button nga human ani nga kuan first question, and then kana siya kay kuan na siya kaning tara creates it is line is create a button for kanang it's kanang choice without like kani Mary Jane Polanco, and then if mo click siya is i-check niya ang answer which diri the options if sakto ba to or wrong, and so then yad ang yang kuan kani din kay kuan so it it adds the button to the screen, and then this function check answer choice is kuan for checking the player's answer. So this is the function kanang correct kay kuan kanay yang gi ng say kanang correct na answer, then iyari ibutan diri sa next feedback, then kani siya kay kanang loop lang, kani siya kay loop lang if the user will click the correct answer, this mo na siyang i-show correct niya color siya og green ang correct, and if dili man gani then wrong, then i-show ang correct answer nga pa plus correct, then red ang yang kanang coloring. Kani siya kay kan ipakita lang dayon tong kanang sini tong score bito niya sa screen if ilan na lang na score nga nasakto. And then kani siya kay for disabling the buttons if para dili na siya makanang maklik. And then kani siya kay i-increase niya ang current question pumana. Then if ang current is napay ka nang nabilin dito nga question nga nabilin pa i-show din to niyang kanang sani ang sunod na question and if dili mga ni if wala na i-question kay i-end niya and then diri kay i-show ra niya nga is finished then options kay wala naman and then if maka-score ka kanang greater than or equal to 2 is kanang great job and then if dili man gani is sulti niya nga you can do better and so narata siya so ang kanili siya ang kanay ang result wait so this is the game so quiz game first question is SMC stands for and then let's click St. Mouse College correct next what is 2 plus 3 5 show siya sa score to correct and it's the name of our teacher Mary Jean so correct and then greater than or equal to 2 man siya so great job and then that's it thank you